Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. As you guys saw in the description of this video, today I'm going to be reviewing ESCADA Cherry in Japan. So if you guys want to see this review, go ahead and stay tuned. Y'all, this has to be my favorite everyday scent and my favorite scent to layer with other fragrances. Now, I've had this for about a week now and I'm in love. I am beyond in love. I love ESCADA's fragrances. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to the actual details of this amazing fragrance. So ESCADA released Cherry in Japan in 2021, so this is one of their newer fragrances and it is a limited edition as well. So if you guys want to try this out, I definitely recommend going and grabbing it quick before it's gone. This is what the box looks like up close. So the box is just stunning. I love the pink, bright colors of this. There are cute little cherries all over it. And I really like that they were able to incorporate that Japanese flair into the packaging. I really like that. And I think that since this is a limited edition, and more than likely a lot of people are going to be trying to collect it, this is something that's really nice and that will look amazing sitting on your fragrance shelf. So let me show you guys what the actual bottle looks like up close. So the bottle, it pretty much just looks like every other ESCADA fragrance bottle, which I'm not totally mad at. They all have a really nice, sleek design to them with a fun little ombre color fading down. So I think that's pretty cool. And I did purchase this fragrance in the 1 ounce. And this is the smallest size that they have. And with this particular fragrance, it does come in 3 sizes. So they have the 1 ounce, the 1.6 ounce, and the 3.3 ounce. And I have a 3.3 ounce version of one of ESCADA's fragrances and it's huge. So if you smell this and it's something that you like and you want to have a lot of it and don't want to have to worry about running out of it, I definitely recommend purchasing the 3 ounce. Now this fragrance falls into the fruity floral fragrance category. And I know sometimes fruity florals can get a little bit boring at times, but like I mentioned previously, I have had this for about a week and this is definitely something that just would never get old with me. I just love the notes of this fragrance and how simple they are, but they're still nice enough to stand on their own as well as be worn and mixed with other fragrances. So let's go ahead and get into the notes of this fragrance. In the top notes, there's sparkling cherry accord. In the middle notes, there's natural jasmine petals. And in the base, there's sensual tonka. And when I first read these notes, I did think it was a little bit different because usually in all of ESCADA's fragrances, they always have sandalwood in the base. And the first time I sprayed this, I did smell like a sandalwoody note. I haven't been able to find like online that it's actually in there, but I'm pretty sure that it's sandalwood that I'm smelling. And I feel like the sandalwood adds that really unique ESCADA type scent to this fragrance. So let me go ahead and spray it and let you guys know what I smell. Now I know that it's not listed, but I am absolutely certain that there's sandalwood in this fragrance because as soon as I spray it, that's immediately what I smell along with the strong, sweet cherry notes. You definitely smell a little bit of the jasmine petals, which kind of add that floral type element to this fragrance, but it's not nearly as strong as the fruitier notes as well as the tonka bean and the sandalwood. It just smells so nice. I feel like this fragrance could work year round, but I feel like it would definitely smell a little bit better in the spring and summer months just because of how bright and fun it is. And since I've had this fragrance for a little while, I've been experimenting with it and I actually mixed this with the Aquilina Pink Sugar Berry Blast and y'all, it was out of this world. Just the fragrance combination, you get the fruity sweet notes because like I mentioned in my Aqualina pink sugar video, the cotton candy and the more gourmand notes really stand out in that fragrance. So having something like this that's really, really juicy and bright, it just added so many elements to that fragrance. And those two are a very, very good combination to mix. So if you have the two, or you have one and you're thinking about buying the other one, you need to, because that's a really, really nice fragrance combination. And I feel like with those two, you can make it work year round because of that real kind of heavy warmth of the pink sugar berry blast. Like everything could just balance itself out. This, I want to say it lasts about 6 hours or so, but y'all know pink sugar, you can't wash that off your skin. Like it stays forever. So of course that lasted way longer, but with this, it lasts a decent amount of time. And if you purchase a smaller bottle, like the 1 ounce, this is so small and cute. It could fit in almost any of my purses. So if I was going out somewhere and I wanted to take it with me, it would be nothing to just take it out and reapply if I had to. But this is a very pretty, well-crafted fragrance. And I feel like because of the notes in it, it's very universal, and I think that a lot of people would like it. Like if you work in an enclosed area with a lot of people and you don't want something that might be a little bit too strong or like overpowering, this is something that you could wear to the office and be in there all day, and you'll get compliments on it, but it's not to the point where it's just obnoxious and everybody smells you. You can walk down the hall and like 10 minutes later, they still smell you. I don't think this is one of those fragrances, and it has a pleasant, bright scent to it. I am going to be wearing it on its own as well as mixing it with other fragrances in the future. Because of the strength of this fragrance, you could either go heavy-handed with it, or you could just spray a light little mist on you and just have like a hint of the scent on you, and it would still be just as pretty of a fragrance. So I really like the versatility of this fragrance. While it's still available, I might go ahead and just purchase the 3.3 ounce because I really like this, and every now and then you can find limited editions like in a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls, but they are kind of difficult to come by. So while it's widely available, I definitely recommend going and picking this up. This will be a perfect gift if you're trying to get somebody something and you don't really know what they like. I'm pretty sure this is a fragrance that they would like. Like it's just that neutral and just versatile for everybody. So y'all, as always, I will have this fragrance linked below in the description box so that you guys can purchase it for yourselves. And for the ones who have tried it, let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know how you like it, or if you know somebody who has tried this fragrance in the past, let me know about their experience as well. I love hearing you guys comment. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed my review of ESCADA Cherry in Japan, and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.